To make these styrofoam pumpkins, I got 13-inch by 9-inch styrofoam blocks and glued 4 of them together and let it dry overnight. Then I used this heat knife that I bought on Amazon to carve it up and used a palm sander to try to get it to look as much like a pumpkin as possible. Then I purchased this stuff called Create Coat off of the Hot Wire Foam Factory website and coated them. And then I just painted them with some exterior acrylic paint and used spray paint to do some finishing touches like shadows in between the grooves. I forgot to video the process of making the stems, but I pretty much just carved out a stem out of styrofoam and used a piece of stainless rod to stick it into the top. Overall, these cost me about $50 each to make because I had to purchase the styrofoam, but you can find trailer companies that give away these styrofoam blocks for free. If you could find them, good luck. It's a very messy project, but I love the results and I'm very happy with them.